Introducing the Concorde Fusion Travel Set. You get your Fusion pushchair, which is suitable from 6 months up to 15 kilos, which is about 3 to 4. You get your Proton carry cot, that's from birth up until about 6 months. And then you have your Ion car seat, which is from birth up until 13 kilos. I'm going to fit your Ion car seat onto your Fusion pushchair. Now, just giving myself some room by popping the hood down, you will need to take off your bumper bar. That's easily removed. And then I will also need to recline back the seat unit as well. So just making sure that that's fully reclined back, as much room as we've got. And then it's the part there that's going to go into the opening. That's where your bumper bar was. It's just lining that up, both sides, making sure you're in the right position. Pressing down firmly, and you will hear that lock into place. To take it off, it's just the button that's underneath your handle, squeezing that firmly, and all that happens is that quick release is off, thus making you your travel system. So we're going to put the Proton carry cot onto your pushchair. It won't go on with everything on there together. So the whole idea is you will have to strip the fabric off, and it sounds like it's complicated, but it isn't. First of all, take off your bumper bar. So that's the easy part. And then what happens is you've got your hoodies on here and the fabric as well. The fabric is attached underneath, and that's just 2 strips of Velcro. So just releasing that panel off. That's one done there, and then just releasing off your other panel. So that's released those 2 there. Your hood will slide off, and it just slides up towards where your handles are. So that's released that off. Around the side of where your handles are, you've got a clasp that goes round, and again there's an attachment that holds that on. So just releasing one and your secondary one from here, and releasing off your second press stud, and it's just that hard plastic part from there. That releases that off. And then finally you've got some Velcro that's just on the uprights here, releasing those off. And finally, where your footrest is, that literally just slides off, and the whole panel will come away. And then what that reveals is just your chassis. That can go down out of the way, or you can have that up level. So long as you don't tip it right up, that won't help. And then all that we're doing is putting that into there. That is the fixing that's going into the opening either side, and then just sliding straight in. This will create your pram for you. So this is from birth up until about 6 months, and that's clicked into place. To release the carry cot off, it's the button that's underneath, squeezing that and lifting straight off is how that works.